Okay, so we are talking about the environment for preparation, and when we are talking about the environment, we need to be very cool and calm while preparing for the exam. Now, how to, keep ourselves calm, how to cool ourselves down, it's very important. We need to know that. Fine. So taking 3 deep breaths when you're not feeling well, when you are feeling low, when you are, when you have a lot of negative thoughts in your mind that it's not going to happen, and all the bad things happen to me, and my mom scolds me all the time, and this and that. Yeah, what do you need to do? You need to take 3 deep breaths. It is going to help you, obviously it's going to help you more if you are, near nature, that is in a public park or somewhere, where you can actually inhale a lot of positive energy rather than, a lot of oxygen, that is, and to clarify your body and mind and everything else, rather than, at a busy road where a lot of pollution is there. So yeah, take 3 deep breaths. That is going to help. What else? You can close your eyes and do backward counting from 100 to 1. Or, if you think you're not that upset, then 30 to 1 backward counting. That brings in sanity, not insanity, it brings in sanity. That is, you start thinking objectively because of the fact that now when you do backward counting, you have to think, you have to focus. And when you focus, your focus from the wrong things, from the negative things, from the pessimistic things is going to go away. Fine. So in order to calm yourself down, number 1, take 3 breaths. Okay. And what else can be done? We can also talk about, doing something which is called backward counting. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, up till 1. And when you are going to reach 1, you are going to realize that you are now not concentrating on the negative things, in the environment. Okay, what else can be done? You can actually go on a walk. Being near nature is also going to help you. A 5-minute or 10-minute walk is going to help you in calming down your nerves. So that is also something which is very important when we are talking about calming down ourselves. Other calming techniques, are basically, obviously, you are talking about different kinds of things where we are using techniques like drop down through, What is that? Basically, that is something which I learned when I was learning neuro-linguistic programming, some kind of psychological stuff, where we understand how to, get over some problem. And how do we do that? We close our eyes and we, see it from someone else's perspective. Is it that bad? For example, my car has broken down. And if I am thinking, oh my God, everything bad happens to me, and it is always bad for me and everything like that. No, if I'm going to think from someone else's perspective, whose car has broken down and he has had a bad accident as well, maybe I'm better off. Fine. So think about that and be grateful for what you have and what might not have happened to you. Fine. So see things from a different perspective, and then the self-pitying is going to go away, and that is when you will be able to concentrate on the work on hand, and you will be able to calm yourself down. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next clip.